Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shimel and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm sharing you the recipe of red velvet cake. I don't bake like my sister, but still I tried my level best to make this red velvet cake and it turned out too good. I can't wait to share with you guys, and I learned this recipe from Food Fusion. So let's see how I make this. In a bowl, place strainer, add 2.5 cup all-purpose flour, goes in 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon salt. Now sift together, mix well and set this aside. Next step is to make buttermilk. Add 1 cup milk, goes in 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix this nicely and set this aside. In a bowl, add half cup unsalted butter. Butter should be kept in room temperature before you use. Beat butter until fluffy. Now gradually add 1.5 cup powdered sugar. Beat until well combined. To this I'm adding 2 eggs. Add it one by one and beat well. Goes in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and beat again. Once done, set this aside. And now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon red color in buttermilk. Mix this nicely and set this aside. Now add dry flour mixture gradually to the batter. Beat until combined. Goes in buttermilk. Beat till it combine. Now again add the dry flour mixture. Then again the buttermilk. And mix this till it becomes a smooth batter. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda in a small bowl. Goes in 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix this nicely. Add it to the batter. Now give this a very nice mix and set this aside. Now grease the cake pan with cooking oil or butter. Now place butter paper on top. Pour cake batter into the prepared pan. And now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes or until the cake pulls away from the sides of the pan. And now transfer the cake to the wire rack and let it cool. After it comes to room temperature, remove the butter paper and also remove the upper part of cake by using cake knife as directed and set this aside. Now let's make cream cheese frosting. In a bowl, add 200 grams unsalted butter. Beat until fluffy. Now gradually add 1.5 cup icing sugar and beat until well combined. Goes in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 3/4 cup cream cheese and beat until smooth. Now refrigerate it until you use. Let's assemble the cake. With the help of the cake knife, cut 2 layers of cake. place one cake layer and apply frosting. And now place another cake layer and cover the cake with cream cheese frosting. Sprinkle the cake crumble on side of the cake and top of the cake as directed. Now keep the cake in refrigerator before you serve. This gorgeous red velvet cake is just so moist and it's perfectly paired with cream cheese frosting. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up below and follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.